been in the sun a lot. I've always been a runner, and having, olive skin, sunscreen was never a concern. I don't burn easy, and wish I knew then what I know now.
Discoloration, on your skin can really age your appearance.
I, started noticing that I was getting little sun freckles.
A lot of spotting and brown spots on my face. That's been an issue for me for a long time.
Unfortunately, when I went through menopause, early menopause, one day I was like, what happened to me? I woke up and I had this horrible spots all through this area here, and found out it was melasma.
I've used some of those lightening creams. I've used products on my skin that really didn't make an impact.
I tried home remedies. Nothing was working.
A client of mine recommended an IPL, and I'm like, oh, an IPL, what's an IPL? So I researched it a little, and in my research found out that it wasn't an optimal treatment for someone with olive skin.
When you have dark skin, you have to be careful about certain procedures because it can make things worse.
So when I went in for my consultation, I did mention that to the nurse, and she goes, oh no, you'll do fine. So we proceeded with the treatment, and it did not go well. It burned my skin. It was like 3rd-degree burns. So I had really dark blotches on both sides of my face and a little bit on my chin. So it was a disaster. I was referred to Dr. Palm by Sarah, and I scheduled a consultation. Was almost a little reluctant because I really had thought there was nothing that could be done. So I came in and I met Melanie and instantly just felt at ease. She was very realistic, didn't make unreasonable promises, told me about the Spectra laser in great detail, and I hate to use the word laser because it's not heat. And that's one of the things that I liked about this shape.
The Spectra device is a Q-switched laser that is used for laser tattoo removal, but I use it extensively for melasma, and is a gentle way to address pigmentary issues.
She said you probably won't see a change until about the 6th treatment, and sure enough, right about the 6th treatment, it started to really fade the pigment.
Results with the Spectra laser are fantastic.
Martha, my sister, goes, what are you doing? Your skin looks great. And that's when I told Martha about the Spectra laser.
So I'm like, great, sign me up, where do I go?
People started to make comments about my skin, probably after about 3 months.
People around me were commenting on how good my skin looked, which is a compliment I didn't think I'd ever hear.
The results have been great.
After about 6 weeks, I noticed that it was about 50% gone. I was like, wow, it's a miracle. And after my 12 weeks, it was gone completely. I feel like I don't have to hide behind layers and layers and layers of makeup if I was doing that. And now if I don't want to wear makeup, I don't have to.
Having to wear less makeup has definitely been a huge benefit.
What I really love is there's no downtime with the treatment.
There's absolutely no downtime. To me, it's not painful, and it's so quick.
I mean, I'd have a treatment and go right back to work.
You don't look like you've had anything done.
One of the side effects is you've got this glowing skin.
The texture of your skin, your pores, everything's a lot smoother.
My skin looks better now, and the tone of my skin is better than it ever has been.
My skin was radiant. It was amazing. I was like, Dr. Palm, you're a miracle worker.